Hello guys. Welcome to my channel with a new video. In this video we are going to learn how to install Aspire software for 2D and 3D designing, CNC router, wood carving and CNC machining. Let's get started. Right-click on Setup zip file. Click on Extract here. Give the password as 123. Click OK. Zip setup file is being extracting. Now open this folder and click on README file for installation procedure. First install Aspire Setup exe. Right-click on Setup and Runa as administrator. Select program language as English. Click OK. Click Next. Click on I agree. Click Next. Again click Next. Keep destination folder by default. Click Install. Now please wait while Aspire is being installed. It will take a while. Aspire has been installed on our system. We don't need to run it now, cause first we need to run its patch file. So uncheck and click on Finish. Now copy the patch file. Then go to C drive. Click on Program Files folder. Click on Aspire 10.5 folder. Right-click and paste it. Click Continue. Now right-click on this file and run it as administrator. Now open the README file again. Here is the password. Copy the password. And paste it here. Click on Proceed. Now click on Patch. Here we see the file has been patched. Click on Exit. Now run the application. Here we see Aspire has been installed on our system. Please subscribe the channel. Like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.